How to get 100 subscribers daily on YouTube in 2021, 14 strategies. Make money on YouTube faster. In this video, I teach you 14 strategies to get at least 100 subscribers, to enable you make money on YouTube faster. The social internet world today is craving for followers. The more followers one has, the more authority they command in social media. In the YouTube community, the more subscribers you have, the better command you have in viewership, and therefore in commanding AdSense revenue. And to some extent affiliate income. It therefore means that the more subscribers you have, the more successful you will be if you want to make money on YouTube. If you want to get 100 subscribers minimum every day on YouTube, you have come to the right place. If you make good content, it is generally proven that on average, at least 3% of the number of viewers on YouTube become subscribers. Therefore, to get 100 subscribers minimum every day on YouTube, you need to get about 3,000 viewers per day to hit your target. Then you can be sure to make money on YouTube. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hannington. I am an internet marketer, and I teach you multiple simple ways to make easy money on the internet. If this is your desire, then pause and click the subscribe button for more ideas on making money on the internet, step by step. Also click the bell icon to notify you whenever I publish another educative video. And in the comments write, "I subscribed," to enable me respond to your comment instantly. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you one of my top money making programs on the internet. And if you have not watched our exclusive series yet, just check down in the description for the playlist so that you do not miss any step in your journey to make easy money on YouTube. In order to get subscribers on YouTube, you must show your videos to a lot of people. Your videos will mainly be seen in two ways. 1. Through YouTube search, and 2. Through suggested videos. So you must always aim at appearing in the search result or the suggested videos. To achieve this, you need to use a reliable keyword researcher like VidIQ. Find the link in the description. Alternatively, find the most viewed titles in the niche, and slightly change the title, or find suggested titles in the search window, and make videos in a few of them. You will have laid the foundation to get 100 subscribers daily on YouTube. In order to achieve this goal, you need to pay special attention to the following 14 strategies which will encourage a high click-through rate and a longer watch time. Strategy number 1. Keyword research. You need well-selected titles that will outcompete other titles in search engine optimization. To stand better chances of appearing at the top, you need long-tail keyword titles. In order to get a title that will attract viewers, you need to involve a reliable keyword researcher. Two of the most reliable keyword researchers include VidIQ and TubeBuddy. From the keyword researcher, you should find high search volume and low competition keywords. There are many tutorials on YouTube about them. To ensure that your videos get seen by even more people, try to get into the suggested video feeds of already popular videos. To achieve this, search your niche on YouTube to find all the different popular videos that come up, with a viewership of about 100,000 or more. Produce content similar to these already popular videos by using the same keywords they use. Speak out those keywords actually in your video, so that the algorithm will sense and pick them up. Where possible, transcribe a few key points on the video itself. It is also very important to make sure to put those keywords in your title, description, and tags. Strategy number 2. Frequency of posting. You may be wondering how often you should post. Certainly there's no formula prescribed for uploading, but a few principles ought to be considered very important to be successful. If your aim is to make money on YouTube fast, then you must behave like other successful YouTubers do. Most of these YouTube gurus have hundreds to thousands of videos, and some of them upload several videos every day or every week, until they have established their channels. You need to find a schedule that works best for you, whether it's 1 video a day, 3 videos a week, or some other schedule, as long as it is convenient to you, and you can achieve your goal. Strategy number 3. Consistency. This is very important on YouTube. You must be consistent in posting, because your subscribers will be expecting something new every definite period you have set for them. And it's better to be consistent than post a bunch of videos once and then stop posting videos for a long time. For example, upload 5 videos over a period of 5 weeks instead of uploading 5 videos on a single day and skip posting for 5 days, or not uploading for the next 5 weeks. Maintain a constant posting rate. Strategy number 4. Quantity or number of videos. As mentioned before, high YouTube performers have big numbers of uploads made. You cannot avoid this. More is better because every video you post has a probability of becoming viral and marketing your channel. So you are better off with 1,000 than 100 uploads. Let's say every video you upload receives 500 views on average. By simple calculation, a channel with 1,000 videos will receive 500,000 views, while a channel with 100 videos will receive 5,000 views. Strategy number 5. Video quality. Whereas quantity has obvious advantages, quality cannot be underestimated. If the quality of your videos is bad, the viewers will withdraw from your channel for better quality videos. Use your YouTube analytics to define good and poor audience retention. Good quality videos attract viewers, poor quality videos repel viewers. If you study the audience retention graph of any video on your channel, you will see where viewers drop off and where they go up. So, do more of what keeps them on, such as promising a freebie at the end, changing scenes or camera positions, and avoid the things that make them drop off, such as unnecessary details and blowing your own trumpet. Strategy number 6. Getting subscribers. Getting subscribers is the dream of all serious YouTubers. So, you need to grow subscriber count as the viewership grows. If you could get over 100 subscribers every single day, you can hit the AdSense monetization requirement in a matter of days. To do this, make sure that you frequently make a verbal call to action for your viewers to subscribe. Do this at least twice, both at the beginning and towards the end of the video. And when you ask them to subscribe, give them a reason in form of a benefit towards their need. For example, for this channel I actually say, I am an internet marketer, I teach you multiple ways to make easy money on the internet. If this is your desire, then pause and click the subscribe button and thumbs up now. Also, if you have gotten some value in this video, please subscribe, click the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell, so that you get all our future videos. Strategy number 7. Focus on a single niche. For your viewers to trust you and stay at your channel, they must identify and associate you with something. So if you want them to subscribe to your channel, make sure they get what they expect. If they expect how to make money on YouTube, do not bring for them my most delicious meal on a picnic. It's better you stay consistent in one niche. If your viewers know you for fitness videos, they will be surprised to find car-crushing videos. Strategy number 8. Market research. Give your video adequate research. Do not just drop on any niche and embark on creating channel. To produce a high-value video, you need to spend ample time to research valuable content. Also, to market a video properly, you need to research on the best title and thumbnail. It's advisable to use a tool like VidIQ to do market research. You need to find a title that has a high demand yet the competition is low. Strategy number 9. Channel art. You must make sure that your channel has good branding. This may require you to use a professional artist from places like Fiverr, or carefully do it yourself using free programs like Paint.net on Windows or Snappa. Strategy number 10. Channel name. Although the name has little bearing on the success of a channel, you need to choose a name that reflects your goal and purpose of making the channel. It should therefore be related to your channel, such as Easy Money Projects, Money Maker, for a channel like this one. This helps you to remain focused to your goal. Strategy number 11. Acknowledging comments. Acknowledge viewers' comments. Whenever somebody comments on your video, they expect you to respond somehow. These are real people with feelings and expectations. You are better off associating with them, because they may become your friends, subscribers, and clients in future. Make sure you show appreciation for that comment. This will increase trust and compel them to subscribe. Strategy number 12. Commenting on big YouTubers' channels. Learn to comment on big channels the soonest possible. If you can catch the early bird on a new upload on big channels, be among the first or second to comment, so that your logo will be seen by so many people, who will be attracted to your channel and hopefully subscribe. Strategy number 13. Phrasing video titles. You must make sure you are presenting to YouTube what people are searching for. This is best exposed by the title and thumbnail you use. Your good content hidden in an obscure title will go unnoticed and you will have toiled for nothing. Good titles and thumbnails are responsible for the high or low click-through rate. To get a high click-through rate, you could use a tool called TubeBuddy. Test your thumbnails and see which thumbnails perform better than the other. Find the link to TubeBuddy down in the description. Strategy number 14. 2. Keyword title. The final trick is in the title. Whenever possible, your video title should involve 2 keywords inserted in 2 phrases. The first one is the keyword to get clicks, and the second should be the keyword to rank in search results. This means you are offering 2 titles for search for the same video. With these strategies in place, it will be possible to get at least 100 subscribers daily on YouTube and make money on YouTube faster. Once again, I hope you realize that our aim with this channel is to give you as much value as we can for free. For more ideas on making money on the internet, click subscribe and thumbs up to get more educative videos of a similar nature in future. So, let us continue. Now, some work for you to do. As promised, I want to give you one of the top money-making programs on the internet. If you want to realize tangible success in your struggle fast, take action right now. Choose one or both options here. 1. For very special coaching and one-on-one guidance, I recommend you to join the best program I would presently recommend for you. Click the first link in the description. 2. If you still want to learn from me for free as a beginner, watch my free tutorials video series playlist, and bookmark that page. Click the second link in the description. Yes, you can get 100 subscribers minimum every day on YouTube. Others have done it, and continue doing it. You can do it too, if you put in the effort. Thank you for watching. See you in